Hey guys, pretty much everyone realizes these days that the fiat dollar system is unstable, and a lot of people are sort of moving over to alternatives like gold and cryptocurrencies and silver. Now, one of the best, if not the best, alternative assets companies out there is regalassets.com. Now, why do I say this? Let's have a look. What is their reputation? First of all, these prominent figures have endorsed Regal Assets. Now, there's Laura Ingham in our Ingram. Now, I know you guys and these other guys, but I know you guys have. She's a reporter for. I think she's actually a lawyer as well. Sort of like a journalist for Fox News, and she backs this company. Regal Assets 10-year company milestones. Okay. Opens its doors in 2019. Regal Assets earned an A+ rating with the BBB, highest rating possible. Regal Assets launches its proprietary referral software to the world. Dennis Miller, Laura Ingram, and Lars Larson endorse and become a celebrity spokesman for Regal Assets. Regal Assets become an Inc. 500 company and ranks 20th in the United States for financial services. Regal Assets featured in the Forbes Investment Guide special issue. Regal Assets adds cryptos to its products offering, becoming an official alternative assets company. Regal Assets becomes an official Forbes Finance Council member. Regal Assets partners with celebrity watchmaker Frank Muller and launched the first ever crypto watch in existence. Now, I didn't even know that there was a crypto watch. Why we're number one in the industry, and they have been, for the last 10 years in a row, they have been rated top alternative assets company. Numbers don't lie. We've maintained the highest rating profile in the precious metal industry for 9 years in a row. You can relax knowing that you're working with the most trusted companies in the business. Okay, we went over a bit of that. AAA. Start your Regal IIA account in 4 easy steps. Fill out the form. Now, I am an affiliate partner for this company, and I'll give you an indication of what this company is, how amazing they are. Okay, now what our clients say about us: very professional, extremely. So, yeah, why investors diversify their portfolio? Experts agree that the financial market is now even more fragile, and I would agree with that. You know, the US economy is going great, but you look at Trump. He's looking at changing the Federal Reserve, etc. So I think the USD is going to be gold backed. So why not get in now before? And that's, I would say, in the next 6 months, maybe next couple of years. Okay. Student loans, big banks in trouble, private debt. So you can see that's not looking good there. Why precious metal? Is gold really useful in times of crisis? Stock market down, .com crash, financial crisis, gold. So you can see that in any crisis, right, the stock markets just plunge, but gold goes up. Okay. Gold outperformed, and God outperformed stocks by ratio. So there you go, guys. Why digital currencies? You may wonder why investors worldwide are flocking to digital currencies. Take a look at the charts. So yes, I've got a few bits and pieces there. Billionaires are investing in metals and cryptos. There you go, a few well-known names there. You can look through those. So here's some of their products, okay? Metals, gold, American Eagle, metals, silver, maple leaf, cryptos, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. Ready to get started? I'll leave a link below for this in the description, guys. Now, I don't know if I could let you go. No, guys, know a bit more. Let's have a look. Watches, cryptos, metals, About Us. I think in this About Us one, they will. Okay, why choose us? Hopefully this will tell us, because they have got a article that tells you that they've been top company 10 years in a row, alternative assets. Now, what I might do, guys, is also put links in the below to free kits, knowledge kits of what they're all about, where you can start, what you can do. Those are free. You'll be able to click on those. Reasons to choose. So I think we've slightly been through those, but you can go through those in your own time. One of the best companies around, and maintain this almost flawless is no easy task. We have to choose it by customers first, transparent fee, offering multiple storage options, having a non-pushy sales approach. There's the reasons. Prominent figures, I've shown there that. Number one industry. Our company. So they are one, if not the top. I'm not sure they're top. They might not be at this time of doing it. See, yeah, I'll leave a link to these investors kits and various other bits and pieces in the description, guys. You want to do a Tyler Gallagher. 10 years later, with zero additional startup capital and a lot of persistent Regal assets, the highest rated alternative assets firm in the country. Okay, with recognition from the likes of Forbes, Smart Money, Huffington Post. Okay, so they know what they're doing. Here's their philosophy, the mission statement. Forbes, you know, all the big boys recognize them. They're not Johnny come latelys. I'll leave a link to this kit below, and where you can go sign up with them, because as we say, these are so I'll leave a link to join up with them below. Let's have a look. Here's some of their metals, guys. Regal IRA, open account, reissue free gold kit and receive your free DVD. I'll leave a link to that while I've avoid scams. Cryptos, watches, they've got the watches there, resources, how to start, our recommendations. There's the watches, there are the watches. And I'll leave it at that, guys. I'll be putting up blogs and a few more videos giving information about this number one company as far as alternative assets, gold, cryptos are concerned. And like I say, they've been rated, I think, top alternative assets company for the last 10 years running. So they're doing something right.